Today's method is something that you can do from anywhere in the world, be it from the beach, your bed, your car, your bathroom, or from any country in the world since this method is available worldwide. This method starts from Google, and we know very well that all of us use Google in our everyday lives. This method is something that can make you a very decent amount of money and that not everyone knows about. Now, since this method isn't that well known and we're pretty sure not all of you has heard about this method before, we are going to be walking you through the whole process in making this method work step by step. So make sure that you follow closely so you can follow the steps correctly. And make sure that you stay until the very last second of today's video so that you don't miss a single detail. Because if you do miss a detail, then you're most likely not going to be earning in the way that we promised you. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. In order to get this method going, we are going to be diving into a software that we've never dove into before. That's going to practically do all of the work for you. Again, we are going to be walking you through all of the steps one at a time so that it will be easier for you to get started and so that you won't get confused and you'll be able to earn your money in no time. First step is to obviously go on google.com and then type in Google Console on the search bar. You will then be shown the search results, so go ahead and click on the first one in the list, which is console.cloud.google.com. You will then be redirected to this page over here. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account for this to actually work. If you don't have a Google account, then go ahead and make one before anything else. Now don't worry because signing up to Google is completely free and it's easy and takes only about 2 minutes of your time. So it shouldn't be too much work either. So go ahead and do that. Now going back to our method, we want you to look for this button over here, which is the arrow pointing downwards. We then want you to go ahead and click on New Project. Don't worry, everything will make sense in a few moments as well as make you money. So, make sure that you keep watching so you don't get lost or confused. You will then be brought to this webpage right here wherein you're going to give your project a name. As you can see over here, you can only make up to 12 projects with your free account on Google. Now, if you want to increase that, then you can actually create multiple Google accounts, which we would highly suggest because that's what we do. Or you can delete projects that you don't need anymore once you've completed them so that you can make space and then create more projects in that way. Let's go ahead and give this project a name. Let's call it Test 1 since we're testing out for today's video. Once you've named your project, go ahead and click on Create. Once you've created, you will find yourself back to the page that you were first on. And so now we want you to go ahead and take a look at the left side of your screen and look for APIs and services. And you'll notice that once your mouse is on top of that option, more choices will come out, so we want you to choose library from those choices. So you will find yourself on this page right here. Now on this part, you may be starting to get a little more confused, so that's why you really need to watch closely and pay attention to every single step through this process so that you don't get lost and you can successfully make this method work. Now, once you're already on the API library, we want you to scroll a little lower until you see YouTube Data API v3. And once you see that, go ahead and click on it. You will then be again redirected to a new web page, and this is what you should see. Now, what you're going to have to do here is to enable your YouTube data. So you should click the enable button right here. Now wait for that to load, and it may take you around 2 minutes. So while waiting for that to load, go back to the API library and then search for custom search API. Go ahead and select this one over here, and it's going to take you to this page over here wherein you're going to have to click on the enable button again to enable custom search API. And don't worry, everything will make sense in a few minutes, so hang in there and keep focusing so you don't get lost. Now that we've made progress, go ahead to your homepage and hover on top of APIs and services once again, and then we want you to select credentials, where you will be redirected to this page, and then go ahead and click on create credentials. Just make sure that you follow our screen so you don't get lost. Now select API key, and this step is crucial because an API key will be made especially for you. So it's going to look like this, and as you can see, we blocked ours out because it's personal. But make sure that this is what you should see on your screen. Now go ahead and copy that by clicking over here. Once that's copied, we're going to have to take that key to the software that we're going to be discussing next, which will be doing all of the work for you in order for you to start earning your money. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Before we go ahead and share the name of the software that we mentioned earlier, we are first going to discuss how this software actually works. So once you're on this software, the first thing you need to find is the settings, and then click on that, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, there will be a box where you are going to paste the API key that you copied earlier. And then once it's pasted, go ahead and click on submit. Now, if you were able to correctly set that up, then the software will right away help you promote offers that you want to promote, and will also start gaining you traffic for any offer at all that you would like to promote. The best one that worked for us is CPA offers, which you can find on cpalead.com. If you aren't familiar with what CPA stands for, it stands for cost per action, which basically means that you get paid every time someone would sign up on offers that you put out, and in that way, you get paid. In most cases, all that these people need to do is provide their email address, which makes earning so much more easier because no one would feel like they're losing anything by submitting their email address for free. Now remember that you can promote anything that you want. Anything is absolutely possible. So you're going to go on this website and sign up for free right here. And then once you're in your account, this is what you should see. You will be able to track your earnings, and then on the left side of the screen you will see offers, and over here you will see the different offers that you can choose to promote. You will see a lot of different offers, and on the right end of those offers you will see how much you can make per person that signs up on these offers. Just choose any offer that you would like to promote, copy your affiliate link, and then start making money right away. Now finally, for the holy grail software that we are going to be using that's going to be setting all your work on autopilot is called Wizard. Now you may have to pay around $20 for this autopilot software, but you can keep this for a lifetime. So all you need to worry about is gaining back that $20 through all the offers you chose to promote. And then once you've earned that $20 back, the rest of your earnings are just pure income, so you'll be earning and earning by doing absolutely nothing. This software works in literally any niche and many more benefits, as you can see here. Now, if you don't want to work on a software that you need to pay for, then you can promote those offers on different forums for completely free. So at least you have other options, right? Aside from forums, you can also promote your offers on your social media accounts. It could be Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube. We really hope that you got something from today's video, because if you did, then you're in for a real nice treat of earning money by doing basically nothing, and all through our Google trick. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either, and make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.